this course, I realized how multi-generational traits of our upbringing controls our mindset and the radical changes needing to be done to be more compassionate with our children.
I am just so extremely grateful to be in this class throughout the weeks. And Dr. Anna, you just have really, I think you embody what you're teaching.
And what I've learned from this grace journey is when you take the 5 values and you integrate them, it's really when the magic happens and everything just falls into place.
If I'm practicing respect to myself, I'm also, being accountable for my actions. I'm also recognizing that I can do things. I'm taking courage. If I'm engaging with things, I'm also respecting my time. And and that engagement later on, I know that I can practice gratitude towards those things. So they all are interconnected.
I truly learned things that I had never thought I would learn. I thought I was an empathetic person. I thought I had embodied all these attributes, but you really took me deeper. And so now I can truly see how I can start applying these in a truly authentic way and be able to share that with other people.
So I thank you so much for opening up all these different avenues of embracing life and of thinking of life and of practicing life, and especially, in a family unit. Thank you.
I learned from so many people during our discussions, especially how people take care of themselves, how to really focus on the things that matters. So that's my biggest takeaway. Thank you so much.
So I look forward to continuing this journey with you, and as well as helping to kind of facilitate this framework so that more kids can have the tools so that they can really live their best life.
Well, I think I've told all my friends about this course, and all of them said the same thing. They were like, wow, how can I learn more? How can I do more? So I think it's just starting.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. It's been awesome. Knowing you, being here, love you lots. Thank you.